Hello everybody. I just wanted to go ahead and do a little update with our little Proton updater method. Right now we will be switching to ProtonUp, and I wanted to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and install and use all this stuff. So first you're just going to go to the GitHub page. It'll be right over here. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description as well. And now, because all of our information on how to install and use it will be right over here. It's in this page, and that's what I'm going to be using. So in order to go ahead and update our little Artix stuff, we are going to go into our bash console and our little terminal emulator, and we're just going to kick things right off. We are going to git clone the link that we just used, because this goes straight onto the page. And there's we got two and symbols right here, and we will immediately go into the ProtonUp folder that will be created. Oh, well, that is my bad. I didn't need to type it out the first time. All right, so now that we've gone ahead and git cloned it, the next thing we have to do is go ahead and do Python 3, because now we're in the ProtonUp folder. There is a file called setup.py that we are going to be using to install. It's an install script. So we're going to be using Python 3 to set that up. We use Python 3 setup.py install dash dash user. Now there is also one more thing you're going to do, because ProtonUp is now a command, but we cannot use it up until we copy and paste a certain command into our bash profile. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go cd back into the home, and you are going to type in ls-a to go ahead and find our profile, which mine is .bash profile right over here. So I am going to sudo vim into .bash underscore pro, and I already have it right here. And this is what you're going to be copy and pasting from the site. If dot bracket slash d home, and it's all that you're going to be copy and pasting. For those that don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about this. You are going to be copy and pasting this command. All right, after we go ahead and do that, I'll go ahead and go back. You're gonna right quit, and now we are going to run source. We do the tilde to mean home. Then we go into dot bash underscore profile. Once we have sourced that, our proton up command will be usable. So now what we have to do is we have to go ahead and set our installation directory for all of our GE Proton updates. So I'm going to copy paste this command, proton-d, and it's going to go into home steam root compatibility tools.d. Once we have that set, our install directory is set. So right now when we run proton up, it's going to install the latest GE Proton into our Steam account. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Proton up. Yep, we want that. 6.20 GE1, we do want that. We go ahead and select yes. It's downloading, and I will go ahead and get back to you after it finishes downloading. All right. So now that ProtonUp has finished installing all of our Proton GEs, we're done. That is literally it. And every time Glorious Eggroll comes out with a new release, you could just run ProtonUp again, and you just updated all of your Proton GE Protons custom. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care.